Welcome back to ForgeFlux Workshop. Today we're building a fully animatronic eyes using 3D printing parts, an Arduino Nano, 6 micro servos working together to create this realistic movement. Let's jump into it. One quick trick I had to do for testing was modify the servo connectors so they can plug directly into the breadboard. Basically, I took a standard paper clip, cut it into small pieces, and inserted metal pins into the servo connector. This creates a temporary solid pin that fits perfectly into the breadboard for quick testing and prototyping. Now that all 6 servo connectors have been prepared and plugged into the breadboard, the next step is wiring up the power and ground connections. At this stage, we're going to distribute the power and ground across the breadboard so every single servo has the connection it needs to operate properly. Now all the power and ground connections are completed for all 6 servos and everything is properly wired on the breadboard. The next step is connecting the signal wires from each servo directly to the Arduino Nano. This is what allows the Nano to control every movement of the animatronic eyes individually through the code that I'm going to prepare. Alright, so all the signal pins are connected on the Nano chip from the servo wires, as you can see. I'm using pin D4, D5, D6, D9, D10, and D11 to control the servos with the Arduino. So that's going to be something I'm going to basically share with you guys today. All the code and stuff, so you can take and you can use it and make your own little project. Now I'm going to start working on the servo horns. As you can see, there's one already installed. This gadget here is amazing. It helps me test all my servos, make sure they're working. I can set them to neutral before starting my project. You got all you need is a battery pack, the same one you use for your receiver on your remote control. It plugs in right here, and then the other side you got your servos. Highly recommend this little gadget. It's a time saver. It costs like 20 bucks or something, not expensive. As you can see, look at the setup right now. We got 6 servos all lined up. So I'm gonna get all those servo horns installed, and it's starting to look good. I'm excited to see what this little project turns out like. So the servo horns are all done. I installed every single one of them. As you can see, they're not all screwed in. I just did one side. I also connected the eyes with the servo horns using paper clip. You don't need to use anything else for this. It's just very light plastic, so it's perfect for that. So now let's go and finish up the other side and see what we got. Alright, so I got all the 6 servos installed with the servo horns. I even connected all the rods using paper clip. Now the next step we're going to do is we're going to plug everything in and launch the upload on the Arduino Nano. And here are the final results of the Animatronic Eyes project. Everything you're seeing here was built using the Arduino Nano, 6 servos, a fully 3D printed parts, simple, affordable, and really fun to build. I hope you guys enjoyed following this project as much as I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next build here on ForgeFlux Workshop. At the end of the video, I've also included the schematics and wiring setup to help you build your own version. And make sure to check the comment section because I'll be posting the link for the 3D printable files and along the Arduino Nano code and project files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next project.